Welcome to Right Side Trading, where you can learn how to trade on the right side with confidence. Today is July 24th, 2016. And basically, I wanted to show you a very quick video about something that we saw on TV the other day that we decided we should talk about, and that was the biotech industry. The question was on Options Action, which is a CNBC show. It says it's biotech ready to break out or not. That was the caption that we saw on TV on Option Action on Friday, July 23rd, 2016. It says, is biotech ready to break out or not? And so for that reason, we decided let's do a video on that real quick. But before we do so, real quickly, let's just bring you to our bring your attention to our website. If you could scroll down to the bottom of our page, the risk and disclosure statements. Want to go ahead and give you guys our disclaimer really quickly, and that is that our products and services are provided solely for educational purposes. Our written and verbal statements, including those provided on our websites by staff members, testimony individuals, affiliates, and clients, are personal judgments and should be regarded as such. These written and verbal statements do not constitute investment advice. We are not licensed financial advisors, so please, before you make any investment decisions, make sure that you consult the advice of a licensed and legal financial advisor. Thank you. So let's go to the charts. So here is the chart of the biotech industry, as you can see right here. One second. All right. So here is the chart of the biotech industry on a daily chart. And as we can see that it has been rallying, so the question is this thing ready to break out? So the first thing I want to draw your attention to is if we zoom in over here when this market bottomed over here and started rallying, what it has done is that it had taken a break right here for like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, and then it started breaking out, okay? So the answer to this is, let's see here. Let's do here. The answer to this is yes, yes, yes. Okay, that's the answer. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, and why do we say yes, yes, yes? Yes, 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 because we can see that the market is already rallying. It took a break. Now it's on its next leg up. For any one of you guys who might know technical analysis, one of the interesting things about technical analysis is it shows you what's about to happen. If a market rallies from this bottom to here and then takes a break like it has done right here, okay, and then starts the next phase up, well, it's just like a staircase. It's on its way higher, okay? And I know a lot of people are worried about whether or not this will kind of then pull back and start heading back down, but there's so much evidence that shows that this is ready to go higher. What are these evidence that shows that? I'll just share a few. Can't share all of them in this short video, but I'll just share a very few. If you go to a bigger time frame, okay, here's a bigger time frame. All right, here's what I want you to look at. If we were to connect this right here, okay, prior to this breakout right here, everything was below this trend line right here, and now is also breaking out on a bigger chart. And for those of you guys who might know what a double bottom is, we are looking at a stock that has made double bottom. Yes, it has not broken up the neckline right here, but I am here to say that, you know, this is showing signs that it's on its next phase up, okay? So the question is, most people will be worried about this neckline and seeing whether it will bounce back. But when you go back to the daily chart and you see the setup on the daily chart, which is a setup that it rallied, it took a break right before, let me show you this, right before it got to this resistance right here. This is now showing that this stock, you know, it had every opportunity to take its break and fall back down over here, all right? But right before it got to this resistance right here, it's breaking out, so much so now that the major downtrend, which is this big downtrend from the bigger time frame, it is now breaking out above that, okay? It is now breaking out above that. The other thing that you can look at is you can look at this right here, okay, the short-term resistance right here. Let me remove this line right here for a second. If you connect these two short-term resistance right here, it is breaking out. So any chance that they had to really come back down would have been right here at this big breakout, at this big resistance right here. It didn't do so. Instead, it rested. It caught its breath, and then now is ready to go higher. So for that reason, if we look at this on a bigger time frame, which is the weekly chart right here, this double bottom that it formed, that neckline right here, be looking for that to actually break out. So again, learning how to read things on a chart is so important. And I'm going to take you back to our website because again, we teach a lot of this kind of stuff. Biotech is about to break out. You just watch, wait to see what happens. Learn how to read the charts. It doesn't necessarily predict the future, but it tells you what it's doing right now. And right now, everything is saying it's ready to go higher. So we'll sign out on that. Again, as always, remember to trade on the right side with confidence.